In this video, I'm going to show you how you can stop pop-up notifications on your Netflix Android mobile app. Now, for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to use Redmi Note 10. However, this process should be the same on any Android smartphone. So the first thing you need to do if you have an issue with pop-ups on your Netflix mobile app, all you need to do is to go to settings and then open it. And from here, look for the function called apps. If you scroll down, you can see apps option is here. Tap on it to open. Then you have to look for the option called manage apps. Tap on it to open. Now this will open all the apps that are available on your smartphone. Scroll down until you get to Netflix. And as you can see, my Netflix app is here. I'll go ahead and tap on it to open. And now here what we are interested in is notifications. As you can see, notifications are turned to yes. And if we open it, the show notification button is turned on. So here you may want to go and turn off specific notifications or turn all of them at once. If we go ahead and turn all of them at once, you realize that the other notifications will be turned off. So you never have pop-up notification from Netflix unless you come again and turn on this button. So that's how you stop pop-up notifications on your Netflix Android app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.